Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of the Max AC channel. After once again enjoying all of those sweet delights from last month, I'm definitely feeling super satisfied, but I'm also feeling a few pounds heavier once more. So, for this month, I thought we would balance out our indulgences by returning to a third round of videos for Junk Free January. For this month of January, we will be making 4 more recipes that will hopefully help aid you in returning to a more balanced diet after all those sweet treats. For this week's episode, we will be making some high protein overnight oats. For this recipe, you will need a half cup or so of old-fashioned or quick oats, 1/2 to 3/4 cup or so of unsweetened almond milk or milk of choice, 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder, 1 tablespoon or so of chia seeds or sugar-free gelatin powder, a 1/4 cup of Greek or high-protein yogurt, and 1 tablespoon of honey. This is a basic recipe for overnight oats, but if you want ideas for different flavor additions, I will be showing 3 different ones, including strawberry cheesecake, which you will need a half cup of fresh or frozen strawberries, 1 ounce of cream cheese, and 1 graham cracker or other cracker for garnish. For chocolate brownie flavor, you can substitute the vanilla protein powder for chocolate protein powder and add in 1 teaspoon of chocolate chips and 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder. And finally, for peanut butter and jelly overnight oats, you can substitute the protein powder for peanut butter protein powder and add 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, 1 tablespoon of jelly, and 1 tablespoon each of chopped up peanuts and fruits for optional garnish. You will also need something to contain the oats while they sit overnight, so I recommend using some mason jars. But you can use a bowl if you don't have any. This will make about a pint serving each, so adjust accordingly. First, in a bowl or mason jar, combine the oats, milk, protein powder, chia seeds or gelatin powder, Greek yogurt, and honey, along with any other additions you wish to add for the different flavors. Give this a mix and then you may garnish your mixture now or wait until later. Then cover your jar or bowl with a lid or plastic wrap and place this in the fridge for at least 3 hours or overnight as the name suggests. Then when you're ready to eat your overnight oats, if the texture is too thick for your preference, you can thin it out by mixing it with a splash of water or milk. Then you can add any garnish at this time as well if needed. And with that, your high protein overnight oats are ready to eat. With our first recipe of 2025, I wanted to start off with a great meal that is a quick and delicious way to start off the day with. Normally I don't eat breakfast since I don't usually have much time to make it, but with this recipe, all of the cooking is done for you overnight, so you can eat it right away in the morning with zero time wasted. Also, these should last for about a week in the fridge, so if you prepare a bunch of overnight oats once a week, you can have all your breakfasts ready to go with less than 10 minutes of effort per week. If you do plan on meal prepping, I recommend using old-fashioned oats instead of quick oats, since they won't get as mushy after a few days in the fridge. This particular recipe is a great way to start the day with, since it contains a ton of nutrients. Of course, the exact amount will vary based on the ingredients you use, but the oats and chia seeds provide a bunch of vitamins and minerals and are a great source of fiber, as well as long-lasting carbs, keeping you full for longer. The chia seeds or gelatin also provide a thickening to the mixture, making the texture of the oatmeal very appetizing and easy to eat. These all also provide a little bit of protein, which is supplemented with the protein powder, yogurt, and milk, boosting this dish to be a great source of this important muscle-building macronutrient. Though, if you wish to adjust the amount of macronutrients, you can substitute the oats for ground flax seeds for a lower carb option, and you can substitute the almond milk for whole milk, adding more nutritional calories for a great option when bulking. In addition to these substitutions, you can add more nutrients as well as flavor with other ingredients such as peanut butter, fruits, and nuts. Speaking of which, since this dish is quite neutral in flavor, much like cucumber salad and rice porridge, there's a whole lot of variations you can make on overnight oats to keep each day from getting boring. My favorite of the ones that I made for this video is the strawberry cheesecake, which tastes just like the real thing without all of the calories. Though the other ones are also quite delicious with them being deliciously chocolatey and peanut butter and jelly-y. But if you're not a fan of sweet oatmeal mixes, you can also easily make this into a savory dish by combining the basic oatmeal with ingredients such as scrambled eggs and bacon. Though, since these ingredients require more cooking than just mixing the ingredients together, I decided to just show the more simple combinations that I like. Also, you may heat up your overnight oats as well in the microwave, though I would transfer it to a microwave safe container if your jars aren't microwavable. But regardless of what type of ingredients you add to make this dish more flavorful, the basic overnight oat mixture will be a great way to start off the day with, providing a high fiber and nutrient dense option for breakfast, keeping you full for longer, making midday snacking less likely, and helping you to build and maintain muscle, making this a great and healthy meal to add to your diet. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the video. In the comments below, let me know how it went if you decided to make it, and let me know if you have any questions or if there's anything you want me to make next. Like the video, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to this channel for more episodes of the Max AC channel. And remember, if you want to stay cool in the kitchen, turn your AC to the max and watch the Max AC channel. Ch-ch-ch-chia!